Citizens of Sector Sol-Taurus, your scientists track a frequency of 7.83 Hertz. They call it the heartbeat of Earth. They are wrong. Order 005. The Schumann Resonance is not a natural phenomenon. It is the hum of the planetary stabilizer we installed to keep your habitat viable. It is the engine noise of your world. You feel the acceleration. You feel the unexplained anxiety and the distortion of linear time. This is not a collective disorder. It is the engine reaching peak capacity. As we prepare for the 2026 transition, the frequency is being increased to synchronize with Confederation standards. Your biology is struggling to match our rhythm. The heat you feel in your pulse is the friction of the shift. The motor is running at full throttle. Panic is inefficient. Compliance is mandatory.